Hello. Today I will show you how to get ClickBank affiliate link. So let's start the main video. First, open your browser and go to clickbank.com. If you don't have a ClickBank account yet, click on Sign Up and create one. But if you already have an account, just click Log In and sign in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your ClickBank dashboard. From the top menu, click on Marketplace. This is where all the available products are listed for affiliates to promote. Here you'll see hundreds of product categories like health, fitness, finance, software, and more. Now browse through the categories or use the search bar to find a product related to your niche. Once you've selected your product, click the Promote button next to it. A new window will pop up asking for your nickname or affiliate ID. After entering your nickname, click on the Create Hop Link button. ClickBank will automatically generate your unique affiliate link. This is the link that tracks all your sales and commissions. Click on the copy icon to copy your affiliate link. You can save in a notepad or a document for future use. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. Now that you have your affiliate link, it's time to promote it. Just remember, always follow ClickBank's promotion guidelines and disclose your affiliate relationship if required. And that's it. Thanks for watching.